My name is Liezel Buenventura. I was the artist for this game. This is Josh Liao. He was the programmer for the game. So as Ryan mentioned, we were part of the Game Jam 2011, and our game was Bunnypocalypse. We had 48 hours to complete this, and the required theme was extinction. So our concept was, this was basically the game design. We had Friday night, the entire Saturday, and a bit of Sunday to make this game, and we spent the entire Friday night hashing out the story because we wanted to make an adventure game because we love adventure games. And what we came up with was an adventure game set in a comic book landscape, and the player attempts to change the outcome of each page in order to advance to the next. This is a sample screenshot of the in-game art. We basically have a comic page, just a regular comic page, but you don't want your hero to end up dead at the end of the comic. So your purpose here is to pretty much change the last panel, and you play it like you would play an adventure game like Monkey Island or any of those LucasArts adventure games. You click around, you pick up stuff, you put them together, and you try to change this outcome. So, our original plans. This was all conceptualized on Friday night. We wanted to have 4 playable pages. We wanted to have voice-acted narration, animated intros per page, several puzzles per page, including dud items that you can't really use but are funny if you look at them. And our eventual output was 2 playable pages. So yeah, we actually learned a lot about time management and the importance of actually getting a good night's rest in a game jam like this, because we spent Friday night talking about it, writing down story ideas, and then we got a good night's rest. We started early at like 8 a.m. the following day and pretty much just drew and programmed the entire Saturday. The concept was cute mutant bunnies acquire a taste for human flesh after the extinction of carrots. So carrots are extinct, and yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, this is what our workstation looked like. I brought my Wacom Cintiq, and that was my laptop, and that's our art asset checklist and storyboards. They're really, really terrible. Yeah, we just pretty much scribbled on bond paper. This is one of the pages I was doing at the time. I think midway. Yeah, I used Illustrator, Photoshop, and Cintiq. For the art, I actually used Illustrator to make the line art because it's really quick. And I exported it into Photoshop where I colored, added texture, and then the final output, which I gave to Josh, was PNGs and JPEGs. He was putting everything together in Flash. So yeah, he's going to talk a little bit about the programming.
Well, I'm not going to say too much about the programming because it's nothing impressive. We just used Flash.js for IDE, and we used a nice animation library called GreenSap Twinlight. You can search for it on the web. It's free for non-commercial use. We also got some music loops from flashkit.com. So now we're going to show you the game.
Where's the game?
Oh god.
Where?
Here.
This one?
This one.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm nervous. Why is it so big?
God. Resolution.
Oh my god. Okay, sorry about that. But the bunny is blinking and is evil. Yay. Okay, so sorry you can't really see the entire thing.
There's some resolution thing.
Alright, there you go.
Alright. Okay, so this is our game. As you can see, our hero dies in the end, and we want to change the outcome. So evil bunnies are coming in through the window, so we'll try to board that up. Okay. Okay, so you put the stack of ugly paintings over the window.
What? Sorry.
Paintings over the window. There. But you still need to nail them in. So it's a traditional point-and-click adventure game. There. Slow down.
So yeah, again, you're just picking stuff up. You're looking at stuff. There's actually clues in the 4th panel. So if you look at how he dies, there are injuries to his head and torso, and you think, oh, we don't want him to get eaten in those parts. So how do you kind of cover?
So maybe we should improvise some kind of body armor. And yeah. Yeah, standard adventure game.
Standard adventure game logic.
Yeah, like really? You can make improvised armor with cookie trays and a leash and a flower pot as a helmet. Right? Okay, so that's our game. That took 2 days, believe it or not. So we plan to create a longer version of Bunnypocalypse. It should come out sometime in March, right? Okay, you can follow our progress on our website. And now this is going to tell you about our next project.
Right. This will just be really quick because IGDA was super nice and offered to sponsor our entry into IGF. So we're you did, right? They said they would. So we're conceptualizing something. You were basing it on the same game design, still a comic, but we're doing 22 pages this time, like a real comic book. Where the working title is Stygia. It's kind of like The River Styx, similar to that. The extinction of humankind, zombies rule the world, etc., etc. So these are just some samples of the art style we're looking at, because now I have actually more than 48 hours to work on the art. We've got watercolors or maybe painterly stuff, and here's some concept art for our main character. And then this is the world we're trying to build, more concept art that I did. We've actually finished the rough story, but yeah, so we've got like 7 months, right? So we're gonna see how far we get, just the two of us. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you wanna check out our website, it's angryrobotsattack.com. Thank you.